Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the F6 online sport program, subject chemistry, round 2, week 6. The textbook which is required is a textbook of chemistry, grade 9 by National Book Foundation, page number 47 to 50, chapter number 3, periodic table and periodicity of properties. Topic: S and P blocks in periodic table. Resources applied are textbook and video tutorial. Introduction of lesson. Students will be able to understand valence shell electronic configuration and position of an element in periodic table. They will also know shape of periodic table. Main points of lecture. Number 1, S and P blocks in periodic table. Number 2, determining valence shell electronic configuration from position of an element in periodic table. Number 3, obtaining position of an element from its valence shell electronic configuration. Number 4, shape of periodic table. And number 5, assignment and project. First of all, you should know what is valence shell. Valence shell is the outermost shell of an atom. Now, periodic table is divided into 4 major blocks: S block, D block, P block and F block elements depending upon the valence electrons in the subshell. Now, if the electrons are present in the S subshell, then these two groups are called S block elements, that is group 1st A and group 2nd A. These are called S block elements. And now from group 3rd A to group 8th they are called P block elements because their valence electrons are present in the P subshell. Same for the D block and F block elements. Next is determining valence shell electronic configuration from position of an element in periodic table. Now, two major things are group number and period number. Group number tells about number of valence electrons and period number tells about n value of valence shell. For example, group 1A element have 1 electron in the valence shell and group 2A element have 2 electrons in the valence shell, and same for the other groups. Now come to periods. Period number. Period 1 element, that is hydrogen and helium, have 1 shell. Period 2 have 2 shells and the second shell is the valence shell. And for period 3 elements, they have 3 shells and the third one shell is called the valence shell. Example 3.3. Write valence shell electronic configuration of following elements from their position in periodic table. Element A is phosphorus and element B is neon. For phosphorus, its symbol is P. Its period number is 3. Phosphorus is present in period number 3 and it is present in group 5th A. Its mean phosphorus has N is equal to 3 and 5 electrons in the valence shell. So its electronic configuration is 3s2 3p3. Second element is neon. Neon is present in group 2nd. Neon is present in period number 2, group number 8. Its mean is valence shell have 8 electrons. It means neon has N is equal to 2 and 8 electrons in valence shell. So its electronic configuration is 2s2 2p6. Example 3.4. Find position of the following elements from their valence shell electronic configuration in periodic table. Element A is nitrogen, its atomic number is 7, and element B is oxygen, its atomic number is 8. Nitrogen Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Valence shell electronic configuration 2s2, 2p3. Period number is 2 and group number is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It means nitrogen is present in second period and in fifth group. Second element is oxygen. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Valence shell electronic configuration is 2s2, 2p4. Period number is 2 and the group number is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So oxygen is present in second period and in 6A group. What is valence shell electronic configuration of sodium from its position in periodic table? Sodium is present in period number 3 and group number 1. So its electronic configuration is 3s1. Shape of periodic table. Elements are arranged in groups and periods with increasing atomic number. Now, period 1 has two elements, hydrogen and helium. Because these two elements have one shell, and now lithium and beryllium both are present in period number 2. They are placed in period number 2 because they have two shells. And hydrogen and lithium. Hydrogen and lithium, these are placed in group 1D because they have one electron in the valence shell. So the elements are arranged in the same group, means having same valence electrons, and the elements in the same period have same number of shells. Recap. Let's recap of today's lecture. We have studied periods and groups, period number and group number. Period number means number of shells and group number shows number of valence electrons. And electronic configuration and position of elements in periodic table. Now your assignment is solve self-assessment exercise 3.4 on sheets. Draw and label this diagram on sheet. Your project is you have to design your own periodic table which demonstrates that how objects from daily life, toys, vegetables, animals, etc. contain certain characteristics which allow them to group into different patterns. Procedure: choose a topic that has characteristics which can be categorized into different ways. For example, dates, color, cost, physical and chemical properties, etc. Periodic table should contain at least 20 items. Organize items vertically and horizontally in at least 5 groups and 4 periods. Give title to each group and period in periodic table. Each item must include name, symbol, atomic number. Arrange elements, then number them. Mass number to each item in periodic table. Some numeric characteristics that increase down the group, that is cost, size, etc. Develop a key for your arrangement. Write title at top of your periodic table. Record your work with following format. You have to write week number, subject, date, project name, title of periodic table, and the resources needed. Example of periodic table from daily life from your convenience. Now some examples are Now some examples are shown here. Examples of periodic table of animal and superheroes.